Yes, good morning, learners. Now, today we want to look another thing that is under grammar. We want to use how we use over many and many and much. We want use of many and much. For example, here we realize many and much mostly confuse the learners in constructing a sentence using many and much. Let us start with much. Many. Now, many is used in countable nouns. And remember what we learned, we know what a noun is. A noun is a naming word. Now, many is used under countable nouns. This is used in a countable nouns. Now, what do I mean by countable nouns? Countable nouns, these are things that we can count. Countable nouns are things that we can count. Countable nouns are things we can do what? We can count. So anything that you can count, they are called the countable nouns. Let us see an example. Now, example of countable nouns. Now let us look at the example in a sentence. Example in a sentence. We can now say that Ian, number one, Ian do not have many pens. Ian do not have many pens. Look at the word many. John has many books. So this one tells us that pens and books, these two can be counted. They are counted. That is why we say they are countable. So we can count pens, we can count books. So John has many books. Those books you can do what? We can count them. So that is what I mean by many. Let us go to much. Let us go to much. Now, under much are now things that we cannot count. They are uncountable. Much. Now, these are things that we cannot count. Things that we cannot do what? Count. Now we call them they are uncountable. They are and what? Uncountable. Uncountable, which means we cannot count them. Now let us look at example under uncountable examples in a sentence. Now example. For example, you can say number 1, how much sugar do you have? How much sugar do you have? How much sugar do you have? You have. Number 3. How much water do the bucket can contain? Now, how much water can the bucket contain? Now, look at this. We have sugar and water. So these ones, we cannot count them. They are called the uncountable goods. They are uncountable. So we say this is what we call they are and what? Uncountable. So in a sentence, when you see the ones that are countable, for example, we have water, milk, soil, we have salt, there are many. So ink. Now those ones, use them, know that they are uncountable. Now in the exercise that I'm going to give you, please kindly do the work and make sure to bring your work for marking. May God bless you and have a lovely day. Thank you.